Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. You are looking with me on 2013 Toyota Highlander and one of the tail light bulbs is out. And I put just the lights on, right, to find out which one, and obviously it's here on the passenger side. So let's go together, see how this bulb can be replaced. Hopefully we have some access to that area right from the back, and it will be very easy job. I put a light here for you, you can see it, and I will start with popping off that little panel here right on the top, and then you just lift it out. Here is the detail of the panel, and there might be normally big access, but this is limited version, and there is that AC unit. But hopefully you can see that wire there, right, coming down, and kind of grayish connector. That's where the bulb is, and I will need to grab it, right, and turn it in order to get the bulb out. Because it's a lot of sharp edges here, I will definitely wear a glove. And I really put that glove on to protect myself. And here you can see that bulb, right? This is the tail light, there's a bunch of them there. This is the tail light, and I can see it's burnt. So it perfectly confirms that this needs to be replaced. All you have to do, just pull it out like this, right? Here we go. And you go to the store, match it, and then obviously the installation will be the reverse of what we just done. And once again, here is the detail of that bulb, right, the connectors. This is the tail bulb, and you can see how it's smoked because it burned inside. So it was pretty easy, will you not say? I think everybody can do it with a little bit of patience, right? And it's good to have that glove in the case of this limited version, so you don't scratch yourself. Please make sure you are subscribed, because I have way more videos coming your way soon. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day, my friend.